two of the biggest names in insurance, but only one can come out on top. Progressive or Liberty Mutual. On one side, Progressive, famous for its quirky ads and online tools. On the other, Liberty Mutual, known for its customizable coverage and memorable jingles. Let's cut past the commercials and see which one actually measures up. Each category gets scored, and by the end, we'll have a clear winner. Trust me, the final verdict might just surprise you. Now here's a quick mind map of all the categories we're gonna break down: price and discounts, coverage options, digital experience, customer service, ease of claims, and bundling and extras. Yep, we're leaving no stone unturned. Ready? Let's get into it. Let's start with price and discounts. So, Progressive, honestly, if you're hunting for online deals, they're super aggressive with their quotes. Plus, if you drive safely, their Snapshot program can literally reward you with lower rates. Throw in loyalty, multi-policy, and all those bundling discounts, and you've got some serious savings potential. And it's a big but, if you make a claim, sometimes your rates can spike. Now, Liberty Mutual isn't slouching. They're loaded with discounts too, and you can score some nice savings if you bundle. But if you're the kind of person who likes everything up front and online, Liberty isn't quite as transparent as Progressive. For pure pricing and juicy discounts, Progressive edges this one out. Coverage options up next. So with Progressive, you get this huge menu, particularly for auto, gap, rideshare, even pet injury protection. Yeah, they go hard. Plus, you've got plenty of ways to cover your home, your rental, and then some. Of course, all those cool extras can add up fast on your bill. And Liberty Mutual, full package here too. Auto, home, renter, condo, umbrella, the works. Oh, and here's something cool, they've got some pretty unique stuff like inflation protection built in. That's kinda rare. Some optional features can cost extra, so keep an eye on that. But really, both offer super solid coverage. It's a total tie. Alright, let's talk digital experience. So with Progressive, dude, their app is actually pretty awesome. Quick claims, it's easy to compare rates, and they've got AI-powered tools to help you out every step of the way. Sometimes tech does act up, but it's way ahead of the pack. Liberty Mutual, the app is good for managing your policy, paying bills and all that, but it's just not as futuristic. Some of the interface feels, well, a bit old school, and there's less automation. For tech fans or anyone who just wants to do things fast and easily, Progressive takes this round, no question. Quick pause, did you know Liberty Mutual was actually the first insurer to roll out seat belt incentives way back in the 60s? Not bad for innovation. Now, customer service. Progressive is all about 24/7 claim support, and quoting is fast, which is nice. But there's a lot of reviews that say it can feel kinda impersonal. Like, are you talking to a robot or a person? Liberty Mutual, though, totally leans into that personal touch. They've got a strong local agent network, and people really appreciate that hand-holding, especially when claims get tricky. You might have to wait a bit longer during big storms or disasters, but overall, Liberty really shines on customer service. So for this one, Liberty Mutual wins. Next, ease of claims. Progressive has dialed in a fast, digital-first process. You can literally track everything online, which is just like chef's kiss for convenience. Downside, it can feel a little cold or less personal sometimes. Liberty, they're all about that hands-on help. You've got agents to walk you through it, and their follow-up is solid. But if you like doing things at light speed, the more traditional approach can slow you down. It's kinda hard to pick here because honestly, both approaches work depending on what you want. So this one, it's a tie. Finally, let's check out bundling and extras. Progressive really crushes it here. They make it super easy to bundle, and their multi-policy discounts are some of the best out there. And listen to this. You can even link auto and pet insurance, which is pretty unique. Only catch is that you sometimes have to sign up online to actually get all these deals. Liberty Mutual. They cover all the classic bundles: home, auto, and even ID theft protection. But it's just not as seamless, and the process can have a bit of friction. So for bundling and extras, Progressive definitely has the edge. So, if you map this all out on a radar chart, you'll see Progressive absolutely dominates on digital stuff, pricing, and bundles, while Liberty Mutual takes the win on customer service and matches up on core coverage. It's a pretty clear visual split. Alright, let's bring it home. If you're the type who loves doing everything online, maybe you want a slick app, fast claims, and the best digital deals, Progressive is probably your dream company. But if you care more about talking to a real-life agent and want that extra peace of mind for your home or when claims get tricky, Liberty Mutual is where it's at. Honestly, it comes down to what matters most to you. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.